Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you a very interesting tool which you can use for converting any black and white video to colorized video. So let's get started. So how actually you can use it? First of all, you need to go to the link that I share with you in the description. This is a Google Colab link and it's completely free. You can run on your browser without downloading any kind of third-party software. So it's very safe and secure. So first of all, you need to click on this connect button. So you don't need to pay anything for that. It takes some time to connect it. So next, what you need to do, very simple, just click on this run button and run anyway. Then just let's wait for some time to process this. After that, go to the next cell and run it. And then this one is the libraries that used for the converting from black and white to colorized video. Just run it and then install all the libraries. It may take some time to process and install all the necessary libraries. After successfully run this cell, go to the next cell to download the model files. That actually the main AI model which help you to convert each frame of the black and white videos turn into a colorized video. So it takes some time. So after downloading the model files, click on the next cell to run it, and that will actually initiate the get video colorizer function. So after that, when it's done, you need to just maybe read the instruction properly how to use this tool. And then what you need to do, you need to find a URL link that is actually uploaded in YouTube, Twitter or Reddit, anywhere in the social platform. So what you in this tutorial I choose this video, so just copy this video and then video link and then just paste in there in the source URL. You can see that in the right corner there is a source URL. So what you need to do, you need to just paste it here in the source URL and then hit the run button. So it will start processing all the necessary files and download this video, and then it will extract all the frames from this video, and one by one it will convert from black and white to colorized video. It takes a really long time to process everything, so don't disconnect this GPU running, otherwise it does not generate it properly. So let's wait for some time to process all this running. So you can see that after successfully running this cell, it will give you this notification like video created here successfully. So you need to confirm it, like go to this deoldify and then video result. Under there you can find two files, one is with audio and another is without audio. So let's download the with audio file to see how actually it looks. So give some time to actually download this file so that we can actually see that. The download is completed. Now just click on download file to see the output, and you can see that this is the output. If I run it, you can see it's a very color popping compared to the main file. So yeah, that's for all the video, and thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, try some black and white video, convert it into colorized video and share it in the comment section. And also please have like, share and subscribe my channel. I will share more AI tools in the next videos. Till then, goodbye.